Hey there. Are you tired of trying different skincare routines and seeing no results? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to break down some common skincare mistakes that might be sabotaging your progress. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more skincare tips. First up, over-exfoliating. Exfoliation is great for removing dead skin cells, but too much of a good thing can backfire. Over-exfoliation can cause dryness, redness, and irritation. Look out for signs like flakiness, stinging, and redness. Dr. Aaron Tabor suggests avoiding scrubs with sharp particles like ground seeds or shells. Instead, try chemical exfoliants and tailor your exfoliation frequency to your skin type. Normal or combination skin 3 times a week is enough. Oily skin, you can go up to 5 times. Sensitive skin, stick to just 1 or 2 times a week. Next, relying solely on anti-aging creams. While these creams can soften fine lines and wrinkles, they won't completely get rid of them. Dermatologist Robin Ashenoff advises focusing on prevention, especially with sun protection. Make sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher a daily habit. Another common mistake is rubbing your face dry with a towel. This can irritate your skin. Instead, pat it gently and even let it air dry if possible. Use a dedicated, clean towel, preferably organic cotton, and change it regularly. Speaking of towels, dirty ones can be a breeding ground for bacteria like MRSA. Thanks to Dr. Susan Whittier for pointing this out. Always keep your towels clean and dry. Sleeping with your hair down can also lead to breakouts. Hair carries grease, pollutants, and product residue that can transfer to your face. Tie your hair up loosely, preferably with a silk scarf or scrunchie. Avoid tight elastic bands. Don't ignore your pillowcases either. They accumulate dirt, sweat, and oil over time. Change them frequently. Every few days is a good rule of thumb. David Banks assures us that cleanliness matters more than the material itself. Neglecting clay masks is another mistake. Clay masks absorb excess oil, reduce blemishes and redness, and tighten pores. Different clays suit different skin types. Kaolin for normal skin, rose clay for hydration. Don't skip out on this beneficial step. Finally, your diet plays a significant role in your skin's health. Incorporate skin-boosting foods like broccoli, tomatoes, apricots, carrots, peaches, fatty fish, red and yellow peppers, soy, and dark chocolate. Remember, don't just conceal skin issues with makeup. Address the underlying problems. If needed, consult a dermatologist to get to the root of the issue. That's it for today. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be on your way to healthier, happier skin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Thanks for watching.